55岁的比利时马拉松10号运动家杜索温，伫咧2024年的最后一年完成逐工拢走马拉松，走366场，创造世界纪录。一年落来，已经走超过15000公里，前排24项鞋啊，国体灵感的研究机构募到代表204万的善款。
在众人的欢呼声之下，比利时选手杜索恩冲过终点，嘛继续家己过去一档来挑战。2024年是闰年，所以有366天。在别人庆祝下年的时阵，今年55岁的比利时马拉松选手杜索恩是连续走366天全马的马拉松来度过2024的最后一天。
Before I started, I was pretty confident that I could do this, but during the year I was hesitating a few times because I fell a lot. I got sick, and sometimes the weather was very bad.
这项马拉松的挑战是为2024年的元旦开始，杜索恩逐工无论透风落雨，要走完比全马马拉松42.195公里，更较长的42.5公里。规档走落来，累计走15444公里，拢总走派24项的鞋啊。在挑战的过程中，伊慢慢因为跋倒受伤，就医了后，伊又重新计算走马拉松的里程，所以一天上最是走过70公里。
One day I fell. It was in September, and my finger was dislocated, and that happened after 27 kilometers. So I had to go to the hospital, and they put my finger straight. So, but you can still see it. It's still a little bit crooked. So, but then I came back home and I restarted the marathon. So I ran about 70 kilometers in total that day.
杜索恩的挑战，会逐工爱提早去公司上班，方便较早下班，用4点外钟来走。第2024年最后一天的挑战，甚至有700多名支持者的陪伴。上尾后，伊用4点钟17分40秒完成最后一天的挑战。到时阵马体灵感研究机构募款超过6万欧元，差不多台票204万6千块。但是纪录得到认证，杜索恩会对平巴西跑者连续走366天的纪录。在完成挑战了后，杜索恩表示，为新的一年开始，伊总算有时间会当陪伴囡仔甲厝内人。国际新闻台是同朋友。